guys, I'm Mo and I'm 8 years old. Today we're gonna open Kuya Mark buyed me it from Shopee. Yeah. So actually Kuya Mark said he ordered an Naruto jacket, but the thing was mistaken and make it into Roblox when I also play. For some reason they did that. Okay, it's supposed to be Naruto, but I can't believe that. So we're gonna get the next one now. So the next one is...
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Do you play Roblox?
Yeah, I play Roblox.
Okay, so that will be okay.
Yeah.
Maybe next time.
I'm 8 years old. Now we're gonna unbox Kuya Mark buyed me it for a farewell party before we leave. So let's check out. Okay, I already got it. Okay, I found the place how you open it. Okay, wait. Oh yes, yes. I got one. No, another Naruto mask. We got another Naruto mask. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's a block. What's a block? Okay, we're gonna open it later. Let's just check off. Oh, it's for a camera. Okay. See, it's for a camera, and let's see. It's for the camera again. So this is so cool. I really like it. Hi guys, I'm Owen. I'm 8 years old. So we also have this cool necklace. So we're gonna unbox each one. It's a phone lens actually, so you can use it for a camera to get it out. Oh, okay. So, oh, this is how you put it on your phone. Okay. Wait, is there something? Okay, yeah, I missed something again, like the necklace. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot this again. Okay, there's also this. I think you're gonna use it for the phone too. So we're gonna unbox. Okay, we're gonna try to unbox this, which is very heavy. Not again. It's so hard again. I have to rip it. Okay, guys, we're opening it now. Dun dun dun. Okay. Dun dun. Okay. Dun dun. Okay. Hi guys, today I'm okay. So charger to plug it. Okay. Let's see what. Okay. So what? Oh yeah, forgot this. How does this hand look like? Let's see. But for someone. Okay. Oh my god, I thought it was that. I thought it was. This is the old way. This is cool. I like how it feels like. Okay. So we're gonna see the. Wow. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Mo and I'm 8 years old. Now we're gonna put this stuff. Oh yeah, truck spin. We're gonna unopen because Kuya Mark gave me. Thank you, Kuya Mark. Okay, let's open. Comes out from here. Oh, okay. That's right. It's here. Speaker. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the crux, but do you wanna clean it first, guys? Okay, let's go clean it first. Okay, now we're gonna put this in, but I'll teach you like this. See, you just put it like this, and then it goes in these holes. That's the reason it has holes. So okay, I'll show you now at least one like this one. You have to, but I don't know how. So this guy or Kuya Mark can do it. Anybody like this one, guys. Okay, what is this? This. Okay, look at that. Because we just cleaned it, so now let's put one by one. So I think we should put, each of them have to be one, and there's one more. So that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How are we gonna put this? Oh, 5. Let's see. Okay, so first one we're gonna put Oreo. Yeah. Oh my god, it's not properly. It's like Oh my god, it's not properly. I'm not joking. It's about to be. There it is.